Hello, my name is Guy, and I'm a PhD student at the physics department at Ben-Gurion University, and my research is about bacterial cell division. And while bacteria themselves aren't inherently deadly, it is predicted that their antibiotic resistivity will develop to a way that bacteria will become a major cause of death by the year 2050, potentially surpassing cancer and cardiovascular disease. My research is very focused on a key player of the bacterial division machinery called FTSZ, and we believe that the current view of the behavior of FTSZ in living cells is not accurately monitored, and we have developed tools that allow state-of-the-art precision in tracking and analyzing protein clusters of FTSZ, and eventually we are developing a generalized tool that we can share with the rest of the scientific community so they can also monitor division proteins and explore mechanisms in cell division, such that eventually we could turn this fundamental research into a product that targets specific mechanisms in cell division. And this is why I am very eager to join the Teva Bioinnovators Forum in order to gain mentorship and meet with more scientists that try to develop a fundamental research into a useful product.